In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lower the price of my insurance with Progressive. If you're looking for ways to reduce your insurance costs, the good news is that there are several practical adjustments you can review directly with Progressive. The goal is to lower your premium without accidentally removing protection you still need, so it's important to look at each option carefully. Start by going to Progressive and reviewing your current policy details. One of the most common ways to lower your monthly premium is to increase your deductible. Your deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance helps cover a claim. In general, choosing a higher deductible can bring your premium down. However, this only makes sense if you're comfortable paying that larger amount in the event of an accident or covered loss. Next, ask about available discounts. Progressive may offer several ways to save, and these can add up. Examples include a safe driver discount, a multi-policy discount if you bundle auto with home or renter's insurance, and a multi-car discount if you insure more than one vehicle. You may also qualify for savings by paying in full, using paperless billing, setting up automatic payments, or, if eligible, applying a good student discount. It's worth checking every discount category because even small savings can make a noticeable difference over time. You should also review any optional coverages on your policy. If you have an older vehicle, comprehensive and collision coverage may not always be worth the extra cost. That said, don't remove them too quickly. Make sure you understand the financial trade-off and whether you could realistically afford to repair or replace the vehicle on your own. Another smart step is to review your annual mileage. If you're driving less than you used to, updating your estimated mileage could help reduce your premium. Insurance pricing often reflects how much you drive, so keeping that information accurate matters. Over time, improving your driving record can also help lower your rate. Avoiding accidents, tickets, and other violations may lead to better pricing in the future. So this is one of the most valuable, long-term ways to save. You'll also want to update your vehicle information. Safety features